Hi, welcome to Cool Crafts 100. Today we are going to learn how to make a fashion belt. This belt I have made it with velvet cloth. This belt helps to make any top look attractive. It is not necessary we should make this belt with a velvet one. You can also make it with a normal cloth. Let's see the things needed to make this fashion belt. A candle, a matchbox, some elastic, a scale, a marking chalk, some velvet cloth, an inch tape and a scissors. First, to make the fashion belt, we have to measure the waist of the person. For example, if the waist of the person is almost 26 inches, then we have to draw perpendicular lines like this in the velvet cloth, each of 2 inches respectively, and we have to make 3 strips. Each will be having a length of almost 28 to 26 inches. After plaiting these velvet cloths, the inches will reduce. So since the inches are reducing, we will be introducing a small elastic in between, which will help in adjusting the size. Even if another person who is having a bigger waist or a smaller waist is going to wear, this elastics will help in adjusting. Let's see how to cut this velvet cloth. I have reversed the velvet cloth and I have drawn these lines. I am going to cut and show you how to make a velvet strip. Now all the 3 strips are ready. You can find lots of rough edges in the corner of the velvet cloth. Instead of stitching the velvet cloth, we have to seal the velvet cloth by showing it in the candle. Be careful while showing it in the candle. Show it very lightly like this so that the corner gets sealed evenly. Just see, all these rough edges are getting sealed. So we have to do this for all the 3 steps. Now I have finished sealing on all the 3 strips. The back side of the velvet doesn't look good. So we are going to fold this and we are going to make a stitch here. We are doing this because while we are plaiting, these strips will go up and down. If this side is visible, it won't look good. So now we are going to cover this and we are going to make a stitch here. We will be doing it in all the 3 steps. Now I have folded each strips and I have finished stitching. After stitching all the 3 strips, I have joined and I have made a stitch here. It will be easy for me to hold like this and to start plaiting. Now I am going to do the plaiting. It is just a simple plaiting. We have to do the plaiting tightly. Like this, we have to do the plaiting fully for the full strip. Now I have finished plaiting fully. You can see this rough edges here. Now I am going to fold all these rough edges and I am going to make a stitch here. I have finished it plaiting fully and I have sealed both the corners. Now we have to introduce an elastic in this part. You see, I have taken a small elastic as I told you. Cloth. This cloth size will be slightly bigger than the elastic size because we are going to stretch the elastic when we are going to wear a belt. So the cloth has to be in such a size so that it will be bigger than the elastic. Now we will be placing the elastic in this corner and we will be making a stitch here. In the same way, we will be placing an elastic on this side and we will be doing the same stitch that side. See, I am going to just keep it on the top. With the help of a needle and thread, I am going to make a stitch. Just we are going to make a tight stitch and we will be doing a multiple stitch so that even after stretching it maximum, this elastic should not come out of this belt. I have finished stitching the elastic on both the sides tightly. Now I will be introducing this black color cloth to cover this elastic because this elastic looks in white color and the belt is in black color. So now when you stretch this elastic, the cloth will be correct. So we have to choose the cloth slightly bigger than the elastic size. Now I will be keeping this cloth here and I will be folding the cloth like this. The elastic will be in the center and I will be doing a normal back stitch only in this cloth, not on the belt, only in this cloth. Slowly we will be doing a normal back stitch and we will be covering this elastic. Now I will be showing you how to do the stitching. I have done half of the stitching here. You can see the elastic in between. I told you should do a normal back stitch and this stitch should not touch the belt or the elastic. See, you have so much gap between the elastic and the cloth. I am doing the stitching with a normal thread and a needle. I will be introducing it like this. and we will be doing a back stitch like this, and slowly we'll be pushing the cloth. Since the cloth is bigger in length than the elastic, we will be slightly pushing the cloth back side, and we will be doing the stitch like this. I have finished stitching it fully. You can see the elastic inside is getting stretched and the cloth is also the normal size. Now this becomes the back of a belt. Now 50% of the belt is over. We have to make a cut in the front and we have to introduce this fulcrum so that it will be easy for a person to wear. See, already I have made a belt and I introduced a fulcrum in the front. Here I have not given any elastic because I have done it in the correct waist size. We are introducing this elastic in the back side because any waist size can wear this according to their size. Let's see how to cut the front one. So we have to keep it properly. We have to find the center and we have to make a cut here. The cutting will be slightly difficult because it is a thick plait and I am doing the cutting. Now I have finished it cutting. I will be sealing both the corners. After sealing both the corners, I will be introducing this fulcrum. Now I have sealed both the corners and I have introduced the fulcrum on both the sides. If you have any confusion in giving the fulcrum, you can take an example of a normal cap. The cap has this fulcrum. Every cap has this fulcrum. You can see how they have joined the fulcrum and you can learn from this and you can attach the fulcrum here. So this is a fashion belt which is done with the help of elastic, and these fashion belts are done without the elastic. So make a fashion belt and have fun. Thanks for watching the Cool Crafts. Thank you.